I thought I was filming something. I was talking to myself for like a minute. It's like very cold, it's very windy. I mean, I'm sitting in the sun because, it's very cool. And, yeah. So, yeah. Lunch break. Look at this. Anyway, I don't want to sit in the sun too long because it's just not good for you. It's not good for you. We're gonna walk there. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm wearing these shoes. It's got a really loud noise. Let's sit here. Good poo. Good poo. Another dog. Old buildings. I just realized, like, actually, I was notified that my phone ran out of credit, so I've got to go and put some credit on this phone. Such a pain. I usually pay around $30. Now I think I gotta pay around 40 because I'm losing credit. Like, you know what I mean? Oh God, the light is fucking horrible. It's all this dark shade is like, I don't know. Just had my lunch. It's a lunch break. It's a lunch break. So yeah, I gotta put credit in my phone. I don't know the password though. I think it's a very well, I shouldn't say, but yeah, yeah, I should go put the credit. I keep on forgetting to do these things. Oh, what date is it? Anyway, so I'm wearing these shoes. They make a lot of noise. They make a lot of noise. Yeah, I think I'll start filming like this horizontal because I noticed that like you have a really like wide view of the scenery, whereas if I put it like the other way, it's like such a small, like narrow, you know. Whereas this is like, yeah, I don't know. I'll just start walking. There's this guy walking here. I don't know. Looks suspicious looking. Oh, look away. Yeah, he's ignoring me. I'm just being paranoid. Paranoid. Oh, man. I thought I'll take another shot at the fountain. As you can see, the water is pushing, the wind is pushing the water to one side. Depending on the direction, it can get all wet. Oh shit, it's coming this side. Ugh. Yeah, yeah. See where oh my God, it's coming here. Shit, shit. I don't want to swallow this water. It might be very dirty. Anyway, I think you get the picture. Home, going home, waiting for the tunnel train to come. The tunnel train. Shit, the wind is blowing. I know the train's coming. You can tell the train's coming just because the wind is blowing. The train pushes